Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on natural gas. NAMEX natural gas price confirms surrendering to the negative pressure by crawling below $2 level previous week. The continued negative momentum coming by the major indicators will increase the efficiency of the bearish track to expect downside target till $1.50 and $1.35 on medium-term basis. MCX natural gas price had given a positive close yesterday below the key resistance of 150 level, which support the continuation of the bearish trend for a downward target till 130 and 115 level in near term. The 20-day exponential moving average supports the price from above, noting that 157 level is key resistance on upside and break above will reactivate the bearish trend scenario. The price indicator MACD is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.